one of the few varieties, which is currently cultivated by farmers, is the Thai Guava. These guavas can grow up to 2 kilograms, though most traders prefer smaller sizes for sale. The guava is harvested when they are approximately 200 to 300 grams. Thai guava is mildly sweet, with a crunchy texture. This fruit is usually eaten unripe and raw. Low and soft seeds presence here. The tree height is 5 to 10 meters. Total number of plants per acre is 600. May to September months is suitable time to plant guava. Sandy loam soils with good drainage system is best for guava cultivation. The guava small graft should be used for planting. The ideal planting distance is 3 or 4 meters, between plants to plants, and rows to rows. It takes 90 days from bloom to harvest. This is a year-round variety, and it is a big feature found of this variety. Pruning the plant is key to keeping your Thai guava plants yield better. Pruning is done when the stem is at least 2 feet long, and the stem is cut leaving 3 leaves. Branches sprout out from the lower, remaining part of the stem, adding more branches. By the 3rd year, you should have a plant at least 3 meters tall and 3 meters canopy. Yield from 1st year, but most farmers tend to skip the 1st year for plant growth. Up to 20 kilograms from 2nd year, 30 kilograms in 3rd year, and up to 40 kilograms per plant from 4th year onwards. Good quality fruits, preferred for export and local market. With Thai guava, the 2nd year yield is 12,000 kilograms, 3rd year 18,000 kilograms, and from the 4th year onwards, you can get at least 24,000 kilograms per acre. The best weather condition is between 16 to 35 degrees. With colder weather, the fruits tend to be small, but the plants can handle itself well. Guava is resistant to most pests, and little pesticides are used during the cultivation. Spraying is done once or twice a year, when needed only. Chlorosis leaf veins can be seen in a lot of time in the absence of zinc. The 80 liters of water mixed with 400 grams of zinc and 400 grams of lime trees should be sprayed. 2 laborers are required full-time for pruning per acre, and also to maintain the farm to be free from weeds. When fruiting begins, each fruit is covered with foam, followed by a plastic cover and then a newspaper. This prevents pest attack, provides a uniform color on the fruit, and suitable for export. After applying the fertilizer to irrigation, if necessary. The guava tree yields a large number of fruit every year. It contains all of the fruit of the tree is not possible. Therefore, when the dense compacted, marble-shaped fruit to be cut.